Welcome to another How-To HawkEye video. Today we're going to look at ordering from an agronomy plan. So from the Order New Order menu, we're going to click on Agronomy Plan, and How-To HawkEye is the name of our plan that we're going to order from. In the top there we can see the block names. We're going to jump down to South Block, and we can see different pieces of information that have been brought through from the plan. Now, if you've already ordered something from this plan, previously ordered will populate as well. And it shows the total spreadable area, various other bits and pieces about depletions, etc. and your spreading status. Down the very bottom, you can also see that you can view the NPKs of what we're going to look at, which in this case is MO31 and selenium. At the top there we can see the breakdown of what that mix is in the plan, and we can see in our map that we have some exclusion zones in our South Block. Now you'll notice you can only select from South Block, no other part of the farm. So let's look at all of the previous applications instead of just MO. Okay, so let's start clicking onto some paddocks. You'll notice as you hover that it gives you some of your scheduled or previous orders as well. When we go back there, we can see what the total tonnage is for what we're ordering down the very bottom there as well. Now what we're going to do today is add another rate into this order. So if your spreaders can cater for multiple rates at one time, and you can see here we're going to just change the rate because in this particular plan there's no more blocks with that product on it. So we're going to do the same that we did earlier. This time we're just going to look at the selected product. And there we go, we can see what we had already clicked on. We're going to add those 3 paddocks in at that rate of 80 kilos per hectare. If we want to, down the bottom left there, we can bag our order. So you can see at the top, the total tonnage, and once again down the bottom. Let's go into the logistics and choose a date for when we'd like to have that spread. Now we can see there's a duplicate spread warning. That's if it's within 28 days by default of when you'd like to have this one created as well. So in this case, for the purposes of demonstration, we're going to ignore and continue. We can give it a name that's relevant. The next one there, customer reference, is just a default plan name. You can put whatever you want in there. It defaults to the last store, where you're getting it delivered to, and who your spreader is. In this case, I'm just going to say I'm going to spread it myself. If you want to, you can split your payment with other people, such as a farm manager, etc. We put in some notes if required for the spreader. Then we go through to the summary page where we can see all of the information that we've just filled out. We can double check by having a look at the PDF that your spreader will get a copy of as well. And we can see all of the information in those red squares there about this. And you can see those exclusion zones down the bottom. Now if we want to add other people to get emailed this order, we can just select them if they're in our contact list, or you can type in an email address and it will be sent to them as well. And if you're integrated with your spreader, they will also get a digital file to spread from. I'll just remove those. And down the bottom there you can see who it's going to be billed to. We can tick the acknowledgement and place the order. Thanks for watching, and have a look at this channel for more How-To HawkEye videos.